Hey, what's up guys? Thanks so much for watching this video. The HPI Baja, man, when the HPI Baja first came out in like 2006, 2005, I remember seeing this thing and I was like, wow, that thing looks awesome. And I was a kid at the time and I couldn't afford one. And of course my parents weren't gonna buy me $1,000+ RC at that time. So, I just kept watching it, kept following it. And then, eventually, I started to make my own money. So I bought one. I actually bought this one pre-owned on eBay. The particular model on this one is SS model. So this is the kit version. So it came with a little bit of upgrades like the sway bars from the factory. But then I put a bunch of money into it. Like I upgraded almost everything. Little handle, shock towers, I think they're turtle racing shock towers, um, everything. You can kind of see the rebuild shocks. I actually bought a new chassis plate, but I haven't installed it yet. It's still laying around. So after taking this thing apart countless times, this screw right here stripped, and I was pretty much done at this point. I had my fun. But I was back, I'm tired of watching it collect dust. This thing deserves better. So I'm gonna clean it up and get it ready to run it one more time and take it for one or two more rips before it's over. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like if you like this video, subscribe. Thank you.